Okay, for number 26, a rational or irrational question. It says determine if the product of those two terms is rational, irrational, and explain. So we're not awarded credit here for just a simple 50-50 guess. The product here, if you're not comfortable doing it, you can do it in a calculator. We're multiplying these two together. Should be an 8. We can multiply the numbers up front. A rule with radicals. You can multiply what's underneath the radicand. 2 and 18 here gives us 36. So outside times outside, inside times inside in terms of the radicals. Square root of 36 is simply just 6. It's a perfect square. So this would give me, if I do it 24 times 6, 144. Okay, so now that I know what my answer is, it's clear that this is a rational number. But why? Because it does say explain. Our work there doesn't really suffice there. It justifies why it's rational, but we want to explain in words why this now is a rational number. 144 is rational. We could say a few different things. We can say 144 can be expressed as a fraction. That's the definition of what a rational number is. Can be expressed as a fraction. A over b, where a and b are both integers. Okay, that definition can be a little confusing because then people say like, oh, radical 2 is rational because radical 2 over 1 is a fraction. So they have to be whole numbers here. We could write 144 as 144 over 1. And that would suffice. You could say something else maybe by saying why it's not irrational. That could be another way of going about doing this. Like it's not a infinitely repeating decimal with no pattern, something like that. But simple definition of rational, something that can be written as expressed or written as a fraction, a over b, where a and b are both integers.